In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to make an attractive looking website using the Google's free tool, that is Google Sites. You can create websites easily and quickly. I can say you can create websites in a minute. Collaborative create engaging, high quality sites for your team, project, or event or your business. Google site looks great on every screen from desktop to smartphone. So let's get started the practical. So to start with the Google site, type sites.google.com in your URL of your Chrome browser. If you are using the Chrome browser, then it's a great. If you are using the different, then that will also be okay, but Chrome browser gives the better result. Make sure you have logged in with your Gmail ID. So you can see screen like this. Here, click on the blank to create the new site, or you can click on the template galleries to view many more templates that have been already pre-designed by the Google. For an example, suppose I'll create this site for the holiday party. So I'm selecting this template. It's a ready-made pre-designed template what Google is offering to us. So you can see this template is ready. So you have to just click the text and you have to change according to your site, whatever site content you have. You can change the text from here. Suppose you can change the sizes from here like this. You can change the background by clicking on the images. You can change this text from here. You can add in many more text from here. You can add in extra images from here. So let's get started from the scratch. So I'm just closing this and again I'm typing sites.google.com. From here I'm creating the blank template. So here you have to give the name of the site. Suppose my name of the site is Disha Rathi. You can add the page title here, Disha Rathi. Okay. So from here you can change the image, upload the image or select the existing image. If you click on the select the existing image, so here is the automatically the gallery would come. From this you can select any image that you want. You can select the images by the URL here. You can search from the Google directly here, or your albums or Google Drive. All the options are there. So suppose for now I'm selecting this image. So this is the image and the background. Now you can add the pages from here. You can change the themes from this site. Themes would be like for the which font size, font name, font color, brand color you want. You can select from these things. Okay, so I'm selecting this diplomat and from this I'm selecting this brown. So this will be my theme. Now this is my home page of the site. Now if I want to add some layouts, like suppose I want this kind of layout, just click on this layout will be added. So here you can add any image. So you can select image, you can add directly your YouTube channel video, or you can upload from the drive. So I'll select the image here and suppose I'll do the Google image search here. Search by the image, any random image I'll search, suppose any. Good morning. Just for an example, I'm doing that thing. So this image I have been added. This image was not saved on my PC, neither in my drive. I just imported this image directly from the Google image search. So suppose morning, you can add any subtext here. So this is ready. Now suppose you want to change the layout from here, you can select any of the layout from here. Suppose I selected this. Here one bigger image would be here, two smaller images would be there. The same process, click on the plus icon and you can upload the image from your computer, or you can select the image you can upload from the drive. Suppose if I created the select from the Google image search, you can search any image. Suppose I'm searching for the flowers and randomly I'm picking up any of the image that will be added here automatically. Can you see that? So in the same way, I'll click on the select image, select the Google image search. Again, I select some flowers and suppose I'll add this. This is a dummy website I'm just creating. So can you see this layout have been created properly? So unlimited, you can create the layouts in the downside too. So from the right side, right menu, you can select any of the layouts that you want. You can add in. Now suppose if you want to add the text box here, just click on the text box. Here is the text box. Come on, save is going on. This random text I had it, you can make it bold, you can align them on a center, you can change the text to the title so as it would see the bigger. You can delete the block. Suppose I don't want this thing here, so you can delete it from this section. You can duplicate this section also. So I'm deleting the block, so you can see this thing. If you want to add a single image here, you can add it from here. Even you can embed the code here. If you want to embed any your YouTube video, you can embed the code from here, or you can embed any HTML code here. Suppose now this is my home page layout. I want to create multiple pages. So how to create multiple pages? So for creation of the multiple pages, click on the Pages tab here. Here, click on the plus sign to create the new page and give name. Suppose name is About. This About page you can see on here automatically Home, About options have been created. So this is the About page layout. So again you can change the layout from this thing. You can add any random about text and all here. I said whatever you want to add, you can add into the about this text, and you can add any random image. Again, if you want to add some more page, just click on the pages, click on this tab and name the page. Suppose my page name is products. Done. Products page have been generated. And in this Google sites websites, you can create affiliate links products too. You can give the link of the affiliate products here also. Suppose example, this is my one of the product. I'll show how to add. Suppose I want to add this cakes right here, and you can add here the name of this product. Suppose this you are building this website for the Amazon affiliation or any other affiliation product or software affiliation, then just give the name of the product here, and here you can add a button to this name of the button by here, and here you can specify the link of that button. Suppose for now I'm just specifying the link here. Here you can paste the link of that your affiliation code here, and just click on the insert tab. This button would be here. Okay, so here you can change some layouts like field outlined like this, or you want that button filled, or only you need the text. You can change these things from here. Okay, so I'll keep it filled. So likewise you can add any extra text if you want to add. You can promote many more affiliate products here also like this. So I hope you got the point how to create these pages. So you can jump on the pages, you can see the pages, how many you created. This is a home page that we created. This is an about page. This is a product page. So this is very easy to make the websites from the Google sites here. So from here you can publish the website. Click on the just publish tool, and this publish to the web. You can add the web address here. Suppose I will add Amazon affiliate website here. Here is the custom URL. You can if you have your own domain, so www.anything.com, then you can click on the manage and follow the instructions on the guidelines that Google is giving you, and you can customize the domain to this website too. Or if you want the website in a free listing, then just keep it as it is. Your website URL would be like this: sites.google.com/view/Amazon affiliates. Okay, already taken. Okay, no issue. Okay, so here you can change the search settings, and who can view my site? Anyone. You can manage only if you want to share this site with your team members only, then you can add the mail IDs here. Request public search engines to not display my site. So if you would tick mark here, then it will not display your site on the Google. So better you don't tick mark here if you want to display the sites to the Google. And click on the publish tool. It will be published within a second. So site have been published. You can view it from here. So you can see the website. This is a home page that we have created. This is a about page, and this is a products page that we have created. And you can see the URL, that is sites.google.com/view/Amazon affiliate. Okay, so you can change this URL too with your custom domain. So in this way you can see the preview of your website in the different modes. Like here, if you click on the view preview, here you can see the phone, on the phone, mobile phone, how your website is going to be looked. You can check here for the menu. On mobile phone, my website will be look like this. In tablets, it will look like that. And on the desktop or large screen, it will look like this. You can close the preview mode and come back to the editor mode. So now I'll show you how to add the footer to your website. So adding footer is a very important step. So here you can find the add footer symbol in the downwards. So click on the add footer. You can update the footer area, like suppose you want to update the privacy policy, terms and conditions. Or if you want to suppose sitemap, whatever you want to show to the customer, you can add them here. Okay, so now I'll show you how to update these pages on these Google sites. So click on the publish here. After publishing, what I'll do, you have to create some pages of that things too. Suppose privacy policy, terms, conditions, and sitemap. So I'll show you one page only in this video, privacy policy. So click on this plus icon, create privacy policy page here. Click on the done. Okay. So you can see the privacy policy page have been created. You can insert the text part here and add whatever the policy statements that your website is having here. Okay, you can add text here like that. So this page have been created and click on the publish tab. Publish. As you can see, the privacy policy is come up in the menu bar. Now, how to hide this from the menu bar? To click on the pages, click on the privacy policy. Here you can see the three dots. Click on these three dots. Click on the hide from navigation. So you can see that page have been hide from this menu bar, but that page is available on your website, but it's hidden from the menu bar. So click on the publish. After hiding them, now suppose I want to add a link for this in the footer. So what I'll do, I'll jump up in the home section. I'll go in the footer and I'll select this particular text here, privacy policy. I'll click on this insert link button. Here you can see this page. Click on the privacy policy, apply. Okay, so you can see automatically hyperlink have been created here. So when you will publish the page and you will check your website live, okay, and see my website here. So in the bottom, in the footer area, you can see on the privacy policy link have been created. Link have not been created on this particular section because I have not generated the links there. So when you will create the click on the privacy policy, you can see the page will come. So like that, you can add footers, headers, menu bars, content to your website and make the amazing website from the Google site. I hope you like the tutorial. If you like my video, click the like button, comment me if you have any doubts regarding this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Stay safe, stay healthy, be happy. Bye-bye.